Now, if you're on WordPress and you notice that your media, on your media page, you notice that your media is not showing any image, and you can see from all indication here that you have some images right in your media. You can see showing 1 out of 177, but right here I can't see my other images. All right, so how do you go ahead and fix it? Now, you might also be working on some pages and you even upload some images into your WordPress site and you are not seeing that image, you are not seeing the rest of the other images. Okay, so I'm going to be walking you through how you can fix this error. All right, so before we get started, if you are new to this channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly go ahead and click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and also click on that bell icon so that you can get notified of our future and subsequent video. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that. Now I'm going to be sharing with you two ways to fix this error. So number one is for you to install a particular plugin. So come over to plugins and then add plugin. All right, and then you look for those plugins. So just type in regenerate, and then out of all the plugins that it will show, just install this first regenerate thumbnails. All right, so I've gone ahead to install and activate it. So you also do the same thing. Just go ahead and install and activate this plugin. So once you are done with that, you can just come over to tools from your menu on the left. So under tools, you see this option, this first regenerate thumbnails. So go ahead and click on it. All right, so next you are going to see this option here that regenerates all thumbnails. So just go ahead and click on it, regenerate all thumbnails, and then allow all of this process to take place. So it's going to generate all the images. Now the time it will take depends on the number of images that you have, okay, but the time is pretty much reasonable. Now, once this process has been completed, so you can see the success is 176, one field, all right, and then you're going to see something like this. So what you do now is go back to your media. So let me just go back to my media library, all right, so let me just refresh and see. All right, so you can see this didn't work, all right, so it might work for you. So now let's look at another method because I'm going to be sharing with you two methods. Now, the second reason that could cause this is definitely a plugin. All right, so what you do is you go to your plugins, your list of plugins. Let me refresh all my plugins, all right, for this website. So what you do is go ahead and uninstall them one after the other. All right, so you can install, go and deactivate them rather. That's the right word for plugin. So go ahead and deactivate. You can just deactivate them randomly. All right, but take note of anyone that you are deactivating. Deactivate them. Go back to your media, refresh. If it's not working, you can activate it again. Deactivate another one. Go back to your media, and then keep doing like that till it works. Then when it works, then you'll be able to identify the plugin that is responsible for that. Now, if you have so many plugins, you can be picking them in two. All right, so you just deactivate two, you go back and refresh your media files, and then you come back again and see if that works. Now, for this particular website, now there's a plugin that I was actually surprised when I noticed that that was a plugin that was responsible for it, and it was the light speed cache. Because this is a plugin that if you're familiar with my videos, you see I usually recommend this plugin, but all of a sudden while doing something on this website, I noticed that my media was missing, and after deactivating some plugins, the one I least expected. Okay, that's another thing you need to know. So there are some plugins that you least expect to be causing the issue will actually be the one. All right, so if I come to my media, you can see, let me refresh now, it's not still showing up. But once I come to my plugin, if I should deactivate this light speed cache, so let me deactivate, okay. Let me just say others, because it's a temporary deactivation, so let me just deactivate it. All right, so now I've deactivated it, so you can see it is deactivated already. So if I should come back to my media and then I refresh, all right, so you can see all my medias are back. All right, so those are the two ways. All right, even the second way is the first thing I will actually recommend, because that's what worked for me among all the other methods I even saw online. Okay, so that's what you should do. I hope you find this video helpful. If it works for you, just let me know in the comment section. Let me know if it works. Okay. All right, so thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are yet to. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up and also share the video. All right, so bye for now.